Spirit boosters, hey, how y'all doing? This is a small welcome back to the channel. All you spirit boosters that keep on showing me love and giving me your precious time to see what Miss Janita in here talking about. And welcome back to my looky loos, trolleys, passy bys, and any people that pass by and don't have the nerve, the guts, the bravery, or the courage to just say hello. Hi. How y'all doing? One day y'all gonna have all of those things. You're gonna come over here and say hello. How you doing? I love your grocery hauls. I like what you doing over here. You're fabulous. You're beautiful, caring. You're informing. You're motivating. You're inspiring. You're encouraging. You're getting us involved, because here I am today. I am saying hello. Welcome is what I will tell you. And stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe. And when you do have a channel, I will subscribe and I will support you, because that's what it's all about. And remember, like I said, if you don't have time to watch a video, just let it run until completion, because listening is just as good as watching. You don't have to watch, you can listen. Okay, like over here, I'm showing you a picture. You can just listen to me talk. Because, hey, who got time to just watch one channel at a time? You got to let 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 channels sit up there running. Just let them run. You can't support everybody if you just watch one channel a day. Shoot, put them channels up. They'll hold up there. I'm just sharing what I know to do, how I get around, how I support my people. Okay, so what y'all looking at? A small Walmart grocery haul. Walmart by far to me. Hey Walmart, shout out to you Walmart. Come on over here and subscribe to my channel Walmart, because I am shouting you out today, because you have the lowest prices on so many goods, and your great value products are the best. I'm shouting you out, Walmart. I love your great value products. I love your the prices that you have on these groceries, because by far you are the cheapest. You are the cheapest. I thought Food for Less was, but nope. Food for Less need to change their name. Just food for, and take the less off. But anyway, shout out to Walmart. Walmart, you do need to restock. I know you probably having some supply chain issues, because Walmart, you guys are low on food. You don't have a lot of stuff available to go with those great prices, because I've been online and I've been looking for some food, and y'all are completely out of stock with what I want. And it's such a great price, because I am comparing your prices to other grocery stores, and you are the winner on cheap prices of great products, food products. And I am here to say so and give you, shout you out. That's about it. I'm letting folks know. Congratulations, Walmart. Y'all beat all the grocery store prices. Now, I know a bunch of y'all don't know nothing about Superior, but I went online on Superior. By the way, I went on Instacart. I ain't been on there in a while, right? Guess what? For people that use food stamps, Instacart got food stamps for Aldi's, Superior, King Super something. I guess you got to check wherever area you in. But Aldi's you could use food stamps online. If you have food stamps, you can use food stamps online at Aldi's and Superior Market. And whoever is out here in Southern California, y'all know about Superior Market. Superior Market act like they Vines or Albertson or Ralph's or somebody. With their prices, they done went out of their dang mind. But y'all don't know about Superior. Superior to me is they cater to our Mexican American folks, because they have a lot of stuff in there that's for, you know, Mexican Americans, but also for Americans. Not that Mexicans aren't American. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I know it sounds confusing, but anyway, you go in there and shop, boy, they would give away. They had like 10 pounds of green bell peppers for $1 back in the day. Now, don't go over there and look for that right now. But anyway, Superior is the business, was the business, but now they act like they, like, whatever your main grocery store is out there where you are, and they very expensive. That's what Superior is acting like now. Because before they was ghetto fabulous, meaning they had great, low, cheap, low, very bargain, low budget groceries up in there. Not saying they weren't up to par, they were good quality, but I had to say it, they was like cheaper than Walmart. Let me tell you that. I'm telling you, Walmart was the cheapest, but back in the day, Superior was cheaper. But nowadays, Superior Market, they acting like they some fabulous big name. Well, they fabulous stuff, but they not Bonds and Albertson and Ralph's. You know, like, they have all that food is expensive up in here in the grocery store. Whoever y'all expensive store, that's what I'm talking about. Because in Superior now, I can't even shop there anymore. They have changed and raised the price. That way you go in there and try and get you a 10-pound bag of chicken wing, they want $50. Let me say allegedly, because I ain't seen them since, but that's what it was the last time, around $50 for some 10-pound bag of chicken wing. And now all their prices, the oil, the cooking oil, I used to go in and get that cooking oil, $2 and something. That oil is twice the price. And a lot of price, even now Walmart has, the price of the oil went up. And that's why I went to the Great Value. And also I had to check other stores and out the name brand and get the off brand that might be a name brand under an off brand name. Y'all hear me? You feel me? But yeah, so a lot of the prices have gone up. But you can see the Walmart eggs. I got market size 12 large cage-free brown eggs. I got 3 dozen. They was $2 something. Now other stores, these eggs is like $3, $4, $5, $6. Like I'm saying, like Superior, for a dozen eggs, they dang near want $5, $6. What the heck? I can't buy eggs at Superior no more. I can't buy nothing at Superior where they too expensive. They out of my price budget. I don't want that. I don't want my budget to fit their prices, okay? I'm not shopping there unless some go way, way, way down on sale, for sale. Like that. They reduce the price, have a sale. I don't use coupons like I did back in the past, because that was good for me. But now I don't coupon shop. I just low budget shop. Can y'all feel me? Put some thumbs up on y'all comments if y'all know what I'm talking about. I need some thumbs up, okay? I need to know y'all is feeling me what I'm saying. Yeah, Miss Janita is a senior citizen, but I'm still alive. I'm still alive. My number might not be, my age number might be larger than y'all's. Okay? But still, I'm alive. I still have feelings. I'm still breathing. I'm still eating, as you can see in my thighs in my previous videos. But anyway, I got 3 dozen of the eggs. They was well, they was under $3. I can tell you that. That's cheap. Y'all remember all these used to have them eggs 69 cents. They was 79, 80. Now all these eggs is over $2 and something. That was the place to go for me personally, was to go to Aldi's and get some 69 cent a dozen eggs. That ain't happening anymore. But I'm glad to get these eggs for $2 something, because eggs ain't no more $1 something. They over $2 and going on up. So like they said, had something to do with bird flu, ammonia. They got the pandemic flu on the birds and stuff. But anyway, even if the birds wasn't sick, the price of the eggs was going up anyway, and the chicken, stuff like that. So what else I got up here? I got me some pimento, Great Value pimentos. Because, yep, ain't nothing like pimentos. I got 3 jars. And I got this Kraft's, excuse me, I don't know why I'm choking. I got this Kraft's Deluxe cheese. Let me hurry up. I want to try it. I know I had it before for my burger. And I also got 2 packs of standard cupcake liners, because I was running out, because my husband crazy about these cupcakes. I got him some more of his favorite red velvet cake, 3 boxes. Can't see the other 2. You see the little Betty name. That's 2 back there. And on top of the old folks. Now, you know what? I have bought this patties, I guess, twice now. These called the medium ones. I like the hot one, but they were out. That's what I mean. Walmart running out of food and stuff. I was so disappointed. But now I didn't never pay attention. By the pig was the word old folks. So I couldn't understand why they keep talking about this food called old folks. I didn't know. My ignorant self didn't never see the word on here, old folks. Now I see it. I don't even have my glasses on. Now I'm seeing it because I was reading on this box today. I was saying, why they keep calling these patties old folks? Now the patty, they are called old folks. I didn't. Y'all just slap me. Just slap me. But anyway, I got a box of those. And they only had 3 of those. I guess they out now. And there, the date on these, I'm freeze these things because they got 6/22. Can you believe that? I don't know how. The last ones I got was fresh, them hot ones. They almost gone. That's why I picked up another box. But, yeah, so I got to get out because my camera running out. I got some, my husband like the slider buns. Got some brioche buns for hamburgers. Got some French loaf bread for sandwiches. Got some tortilla bread. Got this good old imperial margarine. Got a can of diced potatoes. Got a can of whole potatoes. And that's my grocery haul. But remember, some of these grocery stores are low on food stock. I don't know when they're going to get their supply re-uploaded. So whatever y'all don't have, need, whatever you need to get out there in the street and get it because they don't have a lot of food left on the shelf. It's true. I ain't been out there, but I see online what's going on. I got to go run some errands tomorrow. I don't know. But anyway, I just want to come in here and warn y'all. Do get some food. Try and get what you need if they got it. But the food prices are increasing because Walmart, even though I say they're the lowest, their prices are creeping up, but they still going to be the lowest regardless. But I do surely be glad. We'll be glad when they restock if they possibly can. If y'all going through this same experiencing food shortages, not shortages, but low on supply food in your grocery stores and price increases, the price of eggs, stay so in the comments. Let me know, okay? I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all heard the message in the tip is stay in survival mode, crisis mode, fair game mode. Yes, it's fair game. What you see, grab it. Watch out for the uppercut. And also stay in one plate, last plate mode. And don't forget, I don't know what I said. It was another mode. Y'all need to stay in prepper mode. I'm out, y'all. Be blessed. Have a great grocery shopping holiday. And don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up. Use the thumb up button. Leave comments. Leave some questions. Bye.